If you travel away from Earth, the solar system is quickly lost among countless stars. These stars and hundreds of billions of others comprise the Milky Way, our home galaxy. Some of these stars have been studied, others we know little or nothing about. But if we leave the Milky Way and travel further still, eventually we will reach the next galaxy, Andromeda. On a clear night, the Andromeda galaxy is visible to the naked eye, often appearing as a faint smudge in the night sky. Although it is our nearest galactic neighbor, it is unimaginably far from us. Even light, fast enough to travel around the Earth 8 times in 1 second, would take 2.5 million years to reach Andromeda. Andromeda is heading towards us, and despite the vast distance it must cover, eventually it will collide with the Milky Way galaxy. Fortunately, few planets and stars will actually collide, due to the large distances between stars in each galaxy. The nighttime view, however, will be incredible. The galactic centers will slowly approach each other, and their mutual gravity will distort their shapes. Finally, the supermassive black holes at the center of each galaxy will combine, and a new galaxy will be formed, Milkdromeda. For now, we can only imagine what might exist out in Andromeda. There are countless stars, and very likely even more planets. With so many possibilities, some could have almost identical properties to Earth. Who knows what could exist on their surfaces, and even be looking back at us from so far away.